projects I want to do is to replace the station you see in front of you here at San Angela, which is a stand-in for Lawrence, Kansas. This station is an Atlas station that I had, and I really wanted to replace it with the station that Santa Fe built at Lawrence. Oh, I think it was like 1950, 1951. It's kind of got a flat roof and stuff, and if I go ahead and I'll do the design as part of the project, and it'll also allow me a little bit of a parking area over on this end. So I've already done the additional platforms. These are all 3D printed for my commuter station and the passenger trains that'll stop on this track. This will be a bypass track, and this is the house track. But that's going to be one of the next projects I'll be working on the layout, and then we'll show you another one here. We'll step over to the other side. Another project that I intend on doing is to put the this is kind of a mock-up for another bridge, and the bridge that goes here, or the street, is Broadway in Kansas City. It's in the approximate location. It's close enough, and the reason it has to be at an angle like this, and this is, I'm not going to use this type of bridge. It's just one I had laying around just to see how high it would be, is because I have a bunch of turnouts down in here that I got to be able to get my finger on, since it's the way I do most of my turnouts. Even if I put ground throws down in there, I still need to be able to get at them, and in fact, that one there I got to be careful about. I may have to move it over or put a little angle in it, but that's just another one of the projects, and I've already done the preliminary design work for the bridge supports, and they'll be kind of stair-stepped across, so that I think that one over there against the wall is like 50 millimeters high, and I think by the time you get over here it's 70 millimeters, just to make sure it clears everything, all the buildings and such. And it'll be a different style than the one that's over there, more closer to the end of that one over there. So, but anyway, that's the second of the two projects I got planned for the layout. Thanks for watching.